Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show how to add your brand's logo to your AI video. I have the logo ready with me on the desktop. I am going to show how you can add your brand's logo to your AI video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on media here and I'm going to click on import and I'm going to select this image. Okay, so this is my brand. This is my brand. Let's say connection crowd. What I'm going to do is I would like to add this brand to my AI video. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it and I'm going to put it somewhere here. Okay, now I'm going to play and see how it looks like. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? So if you see now, the brand logo is covering the entire screen, which we don't want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back and I'm going to put my cursor here and I'm going to minimize it. I'm going to minimize it and I'm going to take it to the bottom right hand side of my screen. Okay, so when your audience or your clients or whoever it is following your brand, when they watch your video, they will see your logo in the first few seconds. So I'm going to play now and see how it looks like. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? If you see now, we see the logo at the bottom right hand side of the screen. I am Naresh. At any point in time, if you want to reduce the length, reduce the duration of this particular logo coming up on the screen, just trim it, okay, trim it here. Now it will show only for a few seconds. See, hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video? See, it showed for only few seconds. So in the same way, if you want to add your logo at the end of your video, you can follow the same steps. I'm going to play the video and see how it goes. How to share with the world. So this way you can add your brand logo if you are maintaining your personal brand. You are a solopreneur or entrepreneur or you have a brand, then you can come up with this logo and put it on all your videos so that people will connect with your brand. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.